Ayan, so here is our sample problem number 3 sa simple curve. So ito yung problem natin. So basahin muna natin. Two tangents adjacent to each other having bearings 65 degrees 30 minutes northeast and 85 degrees 10 minutes southeast meet at station 11 kilometer and 157.98 meter. If the radius of the simple curve connecting these two tangents is 249.17 meter, determine the following. Ayan, so yan yung mga pinapahanap sa atin. So before natin mahanap yan, ang gagawin natin is i-plot muna natin yung simple curve natin. So may binigay sa atin na mga bearings, ito, and ito. So let's say, theta 1 is ito na lang, 65 degrees, 30 minutes northeast. And yung theta 2 natin is 85 degrees and 10 minutes southeast. Ayan, so yung unang bearing natin is ito, 65 degrees and 30 minutes northeast. So, dito na lang. So, northeast, dito siya. Ganyan, parang ganyan. So, ito yung theta 1 natin. And then, yung next na bearing natin is southeast. So, dito, southeast, dyan. Ito. So, ito yung theta 2 natin. So, yung simple curve natin is nag-meet sila dito sa may station, ito. So, dito. So, before natin yan, so, kunin muna natin yung central angle pala natin. So, dito. So, ito yung central angle natin. And then, itong angle dito is equal lang dito sa angle na to. So, i-deflect lang natin. So, ito, theta 1. So, paano makuha yung central angle natin dyan? So, parang ganito lang yan. So, diba, yung isang ganyan is 180 degrees. Diba? Tapos, ito yung theta 1, and then ito yung theta 2. And then, yung central angle natin is ito. So, yung isang ganon, diba, 180 degrees. Ayan. So, i-minus natin yung ito, theta 1 and minus theta 2. Ayan. So, para makuha natin yung central angle natin dito. Ayan. So, compute, yung makukuha natin dyan is 29 degrees 20 minutes. Ayan. Yan yung angle of intersection or central angle natin. Ayan. So, i-plot lang natin or i-draw natin yung simple curve natin. Ayan. So, ito, parang ganyan yung simple curve natin. Ayan. And then, so, palitan lang natin ang kulay. And then, i-label natin yung simple curve natin. So, this is the point of curvature, the PC. And then, point of tangency. And then, ito yung point of intersection, which is binigay yung station niya, which is 11 kilometer and 157.98 meter. Ayan. So, binigay din yung radius natin, which is 249.17 meter. Ayan. And then, ito, radius din to. Ito is, yung angle dito is I over 2. Kalahati lang nung angle dito. Ayan. This is the tangent distance. Tangent distance ito. And then, ito is C over 2. This is the long chord. Middle ordinate, external distance ito. And then, ito yung curve natin. So, yan yung length of curve natin. Ayan. So, nailabel naman na natin lahat. So, una, kukunin natin is itong tangent distance. So, ito na lang green. So, letter A, ito, tangent distance. So, formula is T is equal to R tangent I over 2. So, compute, ayan, 249.17 tangent I over 2. So, 29 degrees, 20 minutes divided by 2. So, T, ayan, yung makukuha natin dyan is 65.214 meter. Ayan, so, 3 decimal places na lang tayo. And letter B, ito, external distance. Ito yung external distance natin. Yan. So, formula dyan is E is equal to radius second I over 2 minus 1. Ayan. So, E is equal to 249.17. Ayan. 17, and then 1 over cosine 29 degrees, 20 minutes divided by 2, and then minus 1. Ayan, so E, or the external distance, makukuha natin dyan is 8.393 meter. Ayan. So, yan yung external distance natin. So, letter C, ito letter C is the middle ordinate. M is equal to R 1 minus cosine I over 2. Ayan. So, salpak lang natin yung radius natin, which is 249.17 times 1 minus cosine 29 degrees, 20 minutes divided by 2. Ayan. So, middle ordinate is equal to 8.119 meters. So, yan yung middle ordinate natin. So, letter D, chord distance. Ayan. So, C is equal to 2R sine I over 2. Ayan. So, letter C. So, isalpak na lang natin sa calculator. So, 2 times 249.17 sine 29 degrees, 20 minutes over 2. So, yung makuha natin dyan is 126.177 meter. Ayan. So, yan yung chord distance natin. And letter E, length of curve natin. So, formula ng length of curve natin is pi Ri divided by 180 degrees. Ayan. So, compute. Yung makukuha natin dyan is 127.566 meter. Ayan. So, yan yung length of curve natin. And letter F, yung station PT natin, or yung station dito sa may point of tangency natin. So, dito, start tayo dito sa may station PC. Ayan. And then, biyahe tayo, ganun, pa-forward tayo. Pa-forward, so, pag ganun, hanggang dito sa may point of tangency, so, itong length of curve, i-add natin. So, plus the LC. Ayan. So, una, kunin muna natin yung station PC natin. So, 11, ito. So, ito is, di ba, ito yung tangent distance natin is 65.214. So, pa-backward. So, papunta dito sa may station PC. So, yung station PI natin, i-minus natin itong tangent distance para makuha natin yung station PC. So, yung makukuha natin dyan is 11 kilometer plus 092.766. Ayan. Ito yung station PC natin. So, ito, station PI, ito, minus itong tangent distance. So, ito. Ito yung station PC natin. So, pa-backward yung biyahe natin, kaya minus. And then, magpupunta na tayo dito sa may station PT, or the point of tangency. So, from station PC, i-add natin yung LC. Yung biyahe natin is forward. Kaya, i-add natin yung length of curve natin na 127.566 meters. So, ang makukuha natin dyan is 11 kilometer and 220.332 meter. So, yan yung station PT natin, or yan yung distance dito sa may point of tangency natin. So, that is 11 kilometer and 220.332. Ayan. So, ganon yung pagkuha ng mga stationing. Yan yung mga sagot natin for sample problem number 3. Ayan, so I hope na naintindihan natin and marami tayong natutunan. And if you find this video helpful and nakatulong sa inyo, you can share to your friends and like and subscribe na rin sa ating channel para na rin mas matulungan natin yung mga ibang student. Ayan. So, maraming salamat for listening.